In this video, we will see how to use UiPath CLI, which we installed in earlier videos. With coding agents. So firstly, AI coding agents, for example, Cloud Code, Cursor, or Gemini, Codex, or Open Code. These can build and operate UiPath automations using UiP command, right? The we installed UiPath CLI, right? So there we have access to UiP command. So using this command, it will build and operate, right? You can teach them by installing skills, which are task-oriented instructions, which are bundled and published by UiPath, right? Once a skill is installed, the agent knows when to pack a solution, how to chain, how to publish, and how to deploy, right? So first, let's see the prerequisites. So firstly, if you would have followed my previous videos, you have to install UiPath CLI. Should be installed in your machine, and we need a logged in session to run logged in session to run UiP login once. Also, coding agent should be installed. So you can choose your own coding agent. For example, Claude Code or Cursor or Copilot, anything as such. So in our video, we'll try to install Cursor AI because it comes with free version. So we will install Cursor AI. We'll see how to install Cursor AI, and then we see how to debug existing workflow, UiPath workflow with Cursor AI. So now let's try to build a project from scratch from terminal. So actually, for UiPath CLI, it doesn't matter. You don't have to run your commands from terminal itself, from UiPath Studio terminal. So the only advantage will be if you run from here, you will see the visualization perfectly. If that is not necessary, you can generally open command prompt and then you can run. So for example, I opened agent here, which is cursor agent, cursor coded agent. Now I'll just write create UiPath workflow, take input uh, to take two variables as input, sum them up and print the output, right? Now you can see started. You can see here it already started using the UIP command. So you can just auto run, click on auto run everything so that like it will not ask for each and every step. So now it is using my UiPath robot credentials. So it used UIP RPA validate command, and then using my UiPath assistant, from UiPath assistant I'll have my robot credentials, right? So using that, it is validating the RPA workflow, and then it is not generating the XAMLs. You can see here exactly what it is doing at each step. So it is now creating a XAML with name sum two numbers. Started creating it. So you can see here below, executor started and ended, right? So every time it validates, it really uses my UiPath assistant. So I guess it is summarizing now. Now I can see behind there is a XAML created. You can open it. Then you can see, let's run it. I didn't give any numbers, right? So that's why it just took 0 plus 0 and then output as 0. So it just, if you can see here in number 1 plus number 2, you can click on data manager and then you can see arguments. So I can pass 1 and 2 here. It's a simple automation, but then in upcoming videos we will try complex automations as well. So for to introduce you the concept, I tried to create a simple automation. So I just click on debug now. Then we can see the output as 3, right? So that's how you use coding agent, your own coding agent, to generate real world UiPath projects, right? So that's it for today. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting UiPath content.